Let's talk about the dollar flow widget on EPSMomentum. Here, the dollar flow, you just click on that little button, brings up the widget, and it tells you that it's weak. So what does that mean? So first, you have two curves on the chart. One is the price of the stock, and the other one is the dollar flow. So the dollar flow is taking the volume and the price change and computing whether there's more dollar flowing to the stock or not in terms of value traded. And you can see that most of the time when this value is above zero, so the dollar flow is above zero, so there's an abnormal push of trades or more value traded in the stock, that green line is shooting up and driving either beginning of a rally or pushing the stock higher up. And we can see it clearly on NVIDIA, where there was a huge dollar flow and value flow in the stock for the rally. And then it starts tapering, going down below zero, and the stock price as well, and then shoots back up and leading to another rally. So again, this is very useful to see from a volume and value traded standpoint where we are at, and in terms of pressure on the stock, upward pressure or downward pressure. So you have the change 1 day, change 5 days, the slope 10 days, and with all these analytics, you can play around with the screener down there. So in the screener, you can go into price statistics, and then along with the EM and TM and so on, you can bring in your dollar flow flag, which is either strong or weak. So we can choose strong, for example. You can take your 1 day change or your 5 day change or your 10-day slope and select slope that are positive, and let's say a 5 day change that is positive as well. So we can click into Marvel, for example, right? And we can click into another one, for example, Wine Resort, right? So we can see a blip here, strong push above the zero line, and the price is kind of starting to rally a little bit. And you can see that push here is pushing and leading and bringing the rally up with some support here. Same thing, pushing up to zero and then rally above zero, and then the rally in coming after it. So it's sometimes either leading or leading indicator or not, but it's really helping you see the pressure. See, look, in this stocks, all these green spikes above zero are pushing the yellow curve up and up and up, the price curve. And here again, and here again. And then it starts to go down below zero, really down, and brings the price down. So less and less value, less and less volume going into the stock. So again, very useful to screen for and to add to all the other tools that you have at EPSMomentum.com. So any question, just send us an email at support@EPSMomentum.com. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention.